Hello friends, myself Dr. Sanjeet Kumar. Today we are going to start postmortem instrument. Bone saw, skull saw. Cutting bone without harming soft tissue. Two types, electric or manual saw. Used for removing cranial cap to examination of brain. Making linear cut. Sectioning small bone specimens. This is bone saw. Then Enterotome. Scissors designed for longitudinal cuts to open the intestine during autopsy. This is Enterotome. A hammer with hook to separate the calvarium. Then skull chisel to cut through bone or skull. Rib cutter to cut through the ribs while opening the chest. This is rib cutter. Then bread knife for slicing of solid organs like heart, lungs, abdominal organs and trachea. This is bread knife. Scalpel, a small sharp blade surgical instrument used deeper cut or making precise incision on the body. This is scalpel. Dissecting scissor, used to cut open the body tissue. This is dissecting scissor. Then tooth forceps. Forcep bit for firm grip, for tearing of the tissue, holding and gripping of tissue. This is tooth forceps. Hagedorn needle or SAILMAKER'S needle, a large curved needle with an eye for suturing of the body after autopsy is finished. This is Hagedorn needle. Then a Stryker Saw, electric saw used to cut through the skull to remove the brain. This is a Stryker Saw. Then bone cutter, used to cut large bones like sternum or femur. Bone cutter. Then bread knife, a long thin knife for soft tissue, used for slicing brain tissue for examination. Bread knife. Measuring tapes and scales, a standard medical instrument used for measuring of organs, wounds and structures. Then rib aspirator, a metal device with adjustable arm used for holding ribs apart for thoracic cavity access. This is rib aspirator. Then trocar, a hollow instrument with sharp tip used for removing fluids or gases from the body cavity. This is trocar. Then syringe, a standard medical syringe used for extracting fluid or injecting chemicals. This is syringe. Organ scale with pen, a precise scale for measuring organ weight used for weighing individual organs. Organ scale with pen. Then tissue forceps, forceps designed for the softer tissue used for grasping and holding tissue. This is tissue forceps. Then cartilage knife, knife with a curved blade used for cutting cartilage and soft tissue. This is cartilage knife. Then a scalpel handle with replaceable blade, reusable handle with disposable blade used for making initial incision. Then postmortem caliper, metal tool with hinged arm used for measuring tissue thickness or distance. This is postmortem caliper. Then plaster saw, used for cutting plaster or hardened material. This is plaster saw. Then blunt probe, a rounded tip tool for safe manipulation used for exploring or separating tissue. Then vacuum aspirator, a suction device for cleaning cavities used removing fluids or tissue fragments. Vacuum aspirator. Then disposable gloves, maintaining hygiene and preventing contamination. Then magnifying glass, a handheld lens for magnification, absorbing small details on tissue and organs. Magnifying glass. Then embalming machine, injection of embalming fluid for preservation of body. This is embalming machine. Formalin container or tissue preservation jar, airtight container filled with formalin solution, preserving tissue for chemical analysis. Then rectal thermometer, determination of postmortem temperature. This is a rectal thermometer. Then body bags, durable zipped bag for remains, storing and transportation of body. This is body bags. Then vein scissor, scissors with fine tip, cutting veins or delicate structure. This is vein scissor. Ring cutter, a handheld tool with a rotating blade for metals, removing rings or metallic objects. Then rectal scope, a tubular device with a light source for examining the rectum for the enormity. Hypodermic needle, thin sharp needle for precision work, collecting fluid samples or injecting solution. Then autopsy table, a stainless steel with drainage capabilities, providing a stable surface for examination. This is autopsy table. Then muscle retractor, a tool with the prongs for retracting tissue, used holding back muscles during an autopsy. Then Viscera Tray, a flat stainless steel tray for removed organ, holding organs during examination. This is Viscera Tray. DNA collection kit includes swab container, preservation tools, used collecting DNA samples for analysis. Then a spinal cord extractor, a tool for safe extraction, removing the spinal cord for examination. A spinal cord extractor. Then nail clipper, a standard clipper for the trimming nails, collecting nail sample for toxicology. This is nail clipper. Then forensic light source, portable high intensity light, used illuminating body parts for better visibility. Light source. Then postmortem razor, a specialized razor for safe shaving or cleaning of body surface. Formaldehyde sprayer, a device for even distribution of formaldehyde, applying preservation to tissue. This is formaldehyde sprayer. Rachiotomy saw, a surgical tool used in rachiotomy, surgical procedure that involves cutting into the spine to expose the spinal cord. This is rachiotomy saw. Then hacksaw, a hand tool used to cut metal. Then postmortem stapler, it provides safe, fast and efficient option for skin closure. This is postmortem stapler. Then postmortem stapler removal, for removal of staples. Then dead body refrigerator, for preservation of dead body. This is refrigerator. Then chopper knife, for cutting into the small pieces. This is chopper knife. This is all about postmortem instrument. Okay, thank you for watching.